Hey Wheelers! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you can see, nagto-travel tayo ngayon. So, saan kaya ako pupunta? So later on, we will reveal kung saan nga kami pumunta. And I just want to give you a hint. This is the best day of my life. Why? Kasi merong milestone na naman tayong i-unlock. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So ayun na nga, dito nga tayo sa Rizal College of Taal para sa aking graduation.
A few moments later.
By virtue of the power and authority from the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines and the Board of Trustees vested in me as President of Rizal College of Taal, and as duly attested by the faculty of this college, I now declare you graduates of Master of Education of Rizal College of Taal, Class 2022, and confer upon you your degrees with all their associated rights, privileges, and responsibilities. Graduates, congratulations to all of you.
The Tainga Hilario M, with this is titled Assessment